Hello, my name is Shamla Deska, and today I am going to speak about my 4 years of engineering life, which I have really enjoyed in Sir C.R. College of Engineering. I am from IT department, and first of all, I would like to thank all my faculties and all the mentors who have helped me a lot, and each and every time when I needed them most in terms of guidance or in terms of career advice, be it anything. Our faculties are the best persons which come forward and make sure that they leave no stone unturned to make sure that the students are having all the facilities at the perfect place. And also, I would like to say that our college conducts many technical and non-technical events. When we say technical events, it's like conducting workshops and various interesting hackathons, seminars, which actually help the students to make sure that they are having the technology at the right ahead. And also the non-technical events like debate competitions, or it may be the various speeches, which actually improves the communication skills. And I have personally been part of all the technical and non-technical events mostly. So I would like to say, in CRT College of Engineering, there are lot many opportunities. All as a student you have to do that is you have to grab the opportunity at the right time. Then, when connecting all the dots, that is all the opportunities, you will find the right path for your career. I would also say that coming to the placement, our college makes sure that each and every student who is interested in having a career in the top MNCs gets placed by having the perfect trainings, and they make sure the college management makes sure that whoever comes up to the college to teach the students, they are at the perfect talented people. And this year you can see that lots of placement having come up. So all this success which are happening so far is all because of the management and the great of faculties and also the energetical management. And coming to the resources, our college has the best library so far with all the 60,000 plus volumes. And also the library faculties, library members also support the students, be it with the references or anything. Top guidance will be provided by the librarians. And also the technical sports also our college supports a lot. So I would like to say as a student, I would like to sum up my experience as there are lot many opportunities for the students who want to excel. All they have to do is grab the opportunity and also move ahead. So that's all. And I would also like to sum up that altogether my CRNT page of my library has stands evergreen. I would like to thank once again. Thank you CRR for everything.